The image formed by retina of human eye is A. Virtual and erect. B. Real and inverted. C. Virtual and inverted. D. Real and erect. The phenomena of light responsible for the working of the human eye is A. Reflection. B. Power of accommodation. C. Persistence of vision. D. Refraction. Human eye acts like a A. Endoscope. B. Telescope. C. Microscope. D. Camera. A person cannot see distinctly objects kept beyond 2 meters. This defect can be corrected by using a lens of power A. Plus 0.50 diopter. B. Minus 0.50 diopter. C. Plus 2.00 diopter. D. Minus 2.00 diopter. The clear sky appears blue because A. Blue light gets absorbed in the atmosphere. B. Ultraviolet radiations are absorbed in the atmosphere. C. Violet and blue lights get scattered more than lights of all other colors by the atmosphere. D. Light of all other colors is scattered more than the violet and blue color lights by the atmosphere. Which of the following statements is correct? A. A person with myopia can see distant objects clearly. B. A person with hypermetropia can see nearby objects clearly. C. A person with myopia can see nearby objects clearly. D. A person with hypermetropia cannot see distant objects clearly. The colored light that refracts most while passing through a prism is A. Yellow. B. Violet. C. Blue. D. Red. The change in the focal length of human eye is caused due to A. Ciliary muscles. B. Pupil. C. Cornea. D. Iris. Short-sightedness can be corrected if A. Diverging glasses is used. B. Diverging mirror is used. C. Converging mirror is used. D. Converging glasses are used. A student sitting on the last bench can read the letters written on the blackboard but is not able to read the letters written in his textbook. Which of the following statements is correct? A. The near point of his eyes has receded away. B. The near point of his eyes has come closer to him. C. The far point of his eyes has come closer to him. D. The far point of his eyes has receded away. Which of the following statements is correct regarding the propagation of light of different colors of white light in air? A. Red light moves fastest. B. Blue light moves faster than green light. C. All the colors of the white light move with the same speed. D. Yellow light moves with the mean speed as that of the red and the violet light. Which of the following phenomena contributes significantly to the reddish appearance of the sun at sunrise or sunset? A. Dispersion of light. B. Scattering of light. C. Total internal reflection of light. D. Reflection of light from the earth. When light rays enter the eye, most of the refraction occurs at the A. Crystalline lens. B. Iris. C. Pupil. D. Outer surface of the cornea. The focal length of the eye lens increases when eye muscles A. Are relaxed and lens becomes thinner. B. Contract and lens becomes thicker. C. Are relaxed and lens becomes thicker. D. Contract and lens becomes thinner. The amount of light entering the human eye is controlled by A. Ciliary muscles. B. Pupil. C. Cornea. D. Iris. Colored portion of eye that controls amount of light reaching retina is known as A. Cornea. B. Pupil. C. Iris. D. Retina. Innermost layer of eyeball is A. Iris. B. Ciliary body. C. Pupil. D. Retina. At noon the sun appears white as A. Light is least scattered. B. All the colors of the white light are scattered away. C. Blue color is scattered the most. D. Red color is scattered the most. The danger signals installed at the top of tall buildings are red in color. These can be easily seen from a distance because among all other colors, the red light A. is scattered the most by smoke or fog. B. Is absorbed the most by smoke or fog. C. Is scattered the least by smoke or fog. D. Moves fastest in air. The least distance of distinct vision for a young adult with normal vision is A. 25 meters. B. 20 meters. C. 25 centimeters. D. 20 centimeters. Which of the following colors is least scattered by fog, dust or smoke? A. Violet. B. Blue. C. Yellow. D. Red. The light-sensitive cell present on retina and is sensitive to the intensity of light is A. Cones. B. Both rods and cones. C. Rods. D. None of these. The part of the eyes refracts light entering the eye from external objects. A. Lens. B. Cornea. C. Iris. D. Pupil. Condition in which image is formed behind retina is called A. Farsightedness. B. Nearsightedness. C. Image defect. D. Blind spotting. In human eye, image is formed A. Behind retina. B. In front of retina. C. On retina. D. In between lens and retina. Which of the following phenomena of light are involved in the formation of a rainbow? A. Reflection, refraction and dispersion. B. Refraction and dispersion. C. Refraction, dispersion and internal reflection. D. Dispersion, scattering and total internal reflection. The bluish color of water in deep sea is due to A. The presence of algae and other plants found in water. B. Reflection of sky in water. C. Scattering of light. D. Absorption of light by the sea. Function of eyelids includes A. Dust particles are wiped off. B. Tears are spread over eye. C. Dust particles are cleared off. D. All of these. Twinkling of stars is due to atmospheric A. Dispersion of light by water droplets. B. Refraction of light by different layers of varying refractive indices. C. Scattering of light by dust particles. D. Internal reflection of light by clouds. Internal reflection of light is prevented through The. A. Sclerotic coat. B. Choroid coat. C. Iris. D. Pupil. Condition in which image is formed in front of retina is called. A. Farsightedness. B. Defect of vision. C. Nearsightedness. D. Blind spotting. Runny nose and crying may be outcomes of A. Hay fever. B. Down syndrome. C. Excess tears. D. Stress or depression. The persistence of vision for human eye is A. 1/10 of a second. B. 1/16 of a second. C. 1/6 of the second. D. 1/18 of a second. Light enters eye through a transparent membrane known as A. Cornea. B. Pupil. C. Retina. D. Iris. Variation of focal length to form a sharp image on retina is called A. Accommodation. B. Aperture. C. Retina control. D. Shutter. Now, question for the viewer. Colored portion of eye that controls amount of light reaching retina is known as A. Cornea. B. Pupil. C. Iris. D. Retina. Kindly comment your answer in the comment box. Kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.